colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish way to love you more these days. We go back on the run from a given disaster.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do kind of like a get it all done with me. I'm on my way to go grocery shopping. It's like almost 10 a.m. which I kind of wanted to go earlier to avoid, you know, people because of what's going on right now. But I have my mask, I have my gloves, I have my Purell, I have my Lysol spray, I have my Lysol wipes. So we're set. At the same time, it's still like scary because you never know what you could be like exposed to. I just got to the store, gonna mask up, glove up, and then we're going in. Doesn't look like there's too many people here though, so that's good, but still, I get nervous. I'm so happy today I remembered to wear contacts because when I wear glasses, they'll like fall off my face and it's just so annoying because I'm not supposed to be touching my face with like my, you know, infested hands, but it's like I gotta see. I just went to fix my glasses. Habit.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I'm first starting out by wiping everything down individually, and I know this is time consuming, but honestly it's worth it right now to not get sick.
All alone, but you got me good, you got me good.
So I thought I'd give you guys a little grocery haul. So first I just got paper towels. Everything I have already wiped down, so it's all like clean and ready to be put away. But I got some potatoes, I got some tomatoes, I got a bell pepper for like a stir fry I want to make. I got this salad dressing, and then I got maple syrup, which normally I get regular syrup, but the shelves were like wiped clean of regular syrup and I'm running really low. Then I got some croutons for the salad. I got some tomato basil soup, 2 of those. We have this like very often. I've been obsessed with tomato soup lately. I don't know why, but I'll have that with like a sandwich and it's really good. And I got some mayo because we're running low on that. I got some Milano cookies just for like a snack at night or something. I got some cinnamon swirl like crumb cake or muffin mix, and then I got blueberry muffin mix. I kind of like to stock up so that we're not going to the store like super often. I got 2 things of marinara sauce because we use that often. Got some pineapple for like either like a pizza or whatever. Then I got this bread, which is so good. I can't believe I haven't known about this. It's called olive oil ciabatta and it's so good. So I got 2 of those. We go through it pretty quickly because normally we have that for lunch. And then I got 2 things of English muffins, which I only really needed one, but it was buy one get one free, so like why not? And then I got a loaf pan, which I actually don't have one of these, and I was wanting to make like banana bread, and I don't know, I think it's just like a good thing to have. So I got that, and then some rice pudding, which I like to snack on. And then I've never tried this. It's the whey cream dessert in vanilla bean. I've never tried this, but I heard it's really good, so I decided to try it. So I got a 2-pack of that. Then I got some chocolate chips to either make like homemade chocolate chip cookies or pancakes or whatever. Then I got some cold cuts. I got 2 pounds of turkey and 1 pound of ham. Brinley gets so excited just at the sound of that. She loves cold cuts. Then we got chicken egg rolls and pork dumplings because I've been craving like Chinese food, but we haven't really been eating out that much or really ever. So I thought I'd like make some at home. And then I got some sausage links. And then lastly, I just got some drinks. So I got 2 things of Gatorade and 2 waters. The apartment was pretty trashed. Does anyone else feel like being home 24/7, the apartment or the house, wherever you live, it just gets so dirty so much faster? Because I definitely think that's true, at least for us. So I'm gonna get started with a load of laundry, and you might see me all over the place in this video. That's just because with this washer you have to come like back and forth 3 separate times. So yeah, that's kind of like how it is. Not complaining, I love this thing. Then I'm just going to take out the trash in the bathroom and then pick up any like clothes or towels that I won't be washing tonight and putting that in the laundry basket. And then I am going to just do a quick little vacuum of mostly the bath mats. Then I am just going ahead and cleaning the kitchen table, like decluttering it. And I did wipe it down also, but that footage got lost, unfortunately. Like my camera stopped filming right as I was about to wipe it down. So, and I didn't notice until after, but I wasn't going to do it twice because that's not necessary. But yeah, I'm just putting some Swiffer pads away and then putting the extras to go upstairs. And then I'm just gonna start taking everything off the drying rack that was dry from the day before, and then I'm going to put on the load that needs to be dried overnight.
What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
Then I am just decluttering the counter and feeding Brinley and Sadie, and this is like my favorite part of the day because Brinley gets so excited and it's like the cutest thing ever. So then I'm just putting away the clean dishes, and then I'm going to wipe down the counter to get everything ready to do the dishes. Something I have to do between each load is clean out the filters, so I'm just doing that, and then I'm going to get started on another load.
Get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
After I finished the dishes, I realized I wanted to make some of that cinnamon cake mix stuff that I had gotten at the grocery store earlier. So I'm just going ahead and making that. And funny story, actually, while I was filming, while I was cleaning the stove, it knocked the temperature to like 200 degrees when it was supposed to be on 350. So then I kept going back and it like wasn't ready yet, and then I realized it was on 200 degrees, so then I had to cook it for longer than anticipated. So I'm doing the dishes from the bread, besides obviously the pan that's in the oven, and then I'm going to clean out the sink with a magic eraser and wiping down the counter, and then I'm gonna get started on vacuuming.
If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
Brinley is the most curious cat. Like, whenever I'm doing anything, whether it's folding laundry or filling up their water bowls or cleaning their litter, I mean, she needs to be in the middle of everything, which I don't mind because I think it's really cute. But yeah, I'm just folding the laundry that I had washed the night before, and it was a lot of socks, so mostly socks. Gosh, I can't get over how cute they are. They're my favorite.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do.
Hi, Brinley, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Alright guys, well, I am a sweaty mess and we got a lot done today, so I feel really good. Now I'm gonna go cuddle my kittens. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Why does Sadie look like that? And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you.
We got this.